Hello and welcome back. Oh, today everywhere. I had gone to the store right before I started filming. I haven't even taken stuff out of the bags yet. Dirty dishes, as you can see, dishes that need to be put up as well. Yeah, trash needs to be taken out. And there's going to be lots of cleaning motivation in this video. I'm going to be doing lots of laundry in this video, and also like lots of cleaning. All right, y'all, so I'm out in the garage, and I need to take this trash out. I've got clothes in the dryer. These clothes are dirty. These clothes are dirty. I'm going to, well, I was going to say start washing, but I can't really say start washing because I've already washed a load prior to even beginning to video the cleaning process. So, like I said, these are all dirty. That's about 2 more loads I've got to do there. These are all husband's clothes, not my clothes. Haven't started on my clothes yet. I think I only have 1 load. But clothes in the dryer. We're about to put these in the washer. And also, I'm going to take out this trash. And this is what I'm going to be using to wash with today. The Gain Odor Defense and the Gain Fireworks. Smells amazing. Alright, so while I'm out here, I've already emptied the, there's still something down in there. I need to get it. So while I'm out here, what I was saying, oh, the video cut off, but I put the new trash bag in the trash can or whatever. But while I'm out here, I'm going to take my Clorox bleach and I'm going to spray the inside of this trash can and sterilize it and get all the germs out of it. So, yeah. Just going to do that. And I'm going to let that sit. And then we're probably going to add water to it, and then I'm going to let that sit for a while. Get it good and sterile. So now, after I just got all that laundry and did all that outside in the garage, got my laundry going, got clothes in the dryer, got clothes washing in the washing machine. I'm feeling super productive. Not really. Y'all, I was not feeling productive this day at all. My daughter had a baby shower the day before. I was quite tired. I did a lot of running around yesterday, full of activities yesterday. And before I even started filming this video, I had already been to the grocery store twice. Not once, but twice. Went to the car wash and washed my car because it was really bad and it needed to be cleaned. And then also took my son to work. So here I have taken out This is the very first laundry I did of the day, and I actually started that laundry about 9 o'clock. So that's the first load that's actually completely clean, dried, and I'm just folding everything. And all those shirts right there, those white shirts, they need to be hung up, but I didn't get to hang them up this day. I kind of just, put them in a stack and did what I could do with that. Later on in the video, you're going to see a couple of days added to this. This is actually a Sunday, but I kind of filmed a couple of things last week in the kitchen that I was doing, and in this video you're gonna see I cook a roast in this video, but it wasn't done on this day. It was done prior to me making this video, but I just added it in there, for extra footage, because I probably did 6 loads of laundry this day, and I was gonna continue filming, but I just got burnt out on filming and laundry and just the mess in general. And like I said, I wasn't feeling very productive at all this day, but if I don't do it, it's not going to get done, and somebody has to do it. So yeah, that person is me. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you do, give it a like, share, and a thumbs up.